Welcome to Tech Change Life, where we bring you the latest and greatest in technology. Today we are going to share the 6 best tech gift ideas for teen boys in 2023, with a wide range of options. We've got something for everyone from adventure lovers to gadget enthusiasts. We have carefully curated this list, based on innovation, functionality, and affordability, so let's dive in. Number 6. MATEIN Business Travel Backpack. First on our list is the MATEIN Business Travel Backpack. This backpack is perfect for teens who are always on the go. It has a spacious compartment for a laptop and other essentials, as well as several smaller pockets for accessories. The backpack is made from durable, water-resistant materials and has a USB charging port. At only $29.99, this backpack is great value for money. Number 5. CrazyCap award-winning self-cleaning insulated bottle. Next up, we have the CrazyCap, an award-winning self-cleaning insulated bottle. This is not your average water bottle. With its built-in UVC light, the CrazyCap can sterilize water and kill up to 99.9% of germs and bacteria. It also keeps beverages hot or cold for hours. The bottle comes in 2 sizes, and prices range from US $79 to US $124.96. This is a perfect gift for teens who are health-conscious and always on the go. Number 4. TileMate Essentials 4-Pack. Third on our list is the TileMate Essentials 4-Pack. This pack includes 4 Bluetooth-enabled trackers that can be attached to anything you don't want to lose: keys, wallets, backpacks, and more. With the Tile app, you can easily locate any item you've tagged. The TileMate has a range of up to 200 feet and can even make your phone ring if you've misplaced it, at only US $79.88. This is a great gift for forgetful teens. Number 3. TOSY 36 and 360 LEDs Flying Disc. Number 3 on our list is the TOSY 36 and 360 LEDs Flying Disc. This flying disc is perfect for teens who love outdoor activities. It features 36 LED lights for night play and 360 LED lights for an amazing light show. The disc has a range of up to 300 feet and is easy to catch and throw at only $80. This is an affordable gift for teens who love to play. Number 2. Razer Anzu Smart Glasses. Coming in at number 2, we have the Razer Anzu Smart Glasses. These glasses are perfect for teens who love music and tech. They feature built-in speakers and touch controls, allowing you to listen to music and take calls hands-free. The glasses are also designed to block out blue light, reducing eye strain at US $199.99. These glasses are a bit pricier, but they are worth it for the tech-savvy teen in your life. Number 1. JBL Pulse 4 Portable Bluetooth Speaker. Last but not least, we have the JBL Pulse 4 Portable Bluetooth Speaker. This speaker is perfect for teens who love music and parties. It features 360-degree sound and a customizable light show that can be synced to the music. The speaker is also waterproof, making it perfect for pool parties or beach days at $249.95. This speaker is a bit pricier, but it's worth it for the high-quality sound and light show. And there you have it, the 6 best tech gift ideas for teen boys in 2023, from backpacks to smart glasses. There's something for every tech-savvy teen on this list. And the best part, all of these gifts are affordable and practical. So whether you're shopping for a birthday, holiday, or just because these tech gifts are sure to impress, thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to Tech Change Life for more tech-related content.